Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Castle Serenity pellet stove and you want to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit and Celsius, the temperature units that it works on. It's a real easy thing to do. It only takes less than a minute to do it. All you need to do is first of all access this set data menu on the control screen on your stove, which you probably know how to do already, but in case you don't, you just press and hold the enter button and it will pop up this set data menu. This is where you set the clock, set the schedule for heating and everything like that. But you'll also notice option number 3 is set temperature units. So if you just scroll down to number 3 and then hit the enter button, it will pop up a menu where then you can scroll through F Fahrenheit or C Celsius. So you scroll through it, and once the one that you want is highlighted, you just hit the enter button again, and then your temperature is set to Fahrenheit or Celsius, whichever you've chosen. So anyways, hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.